Scientific evidence may be found at the link below. Cauliflower is rich in phytochemicals, including phenolic compounds, vitamin C, and minerals. Phytochemicals may provide desirable health benefits beyond basic nutrition to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cauliflower reduces cardiovascular diseases and certain forms of cancer. Cauliflower provides vitamins, carotenoids, fiber, soluble sugars, minerals, and glucosinolates. Cauliflower contains vitamin A, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin C, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and fat to help fight diseases. Blanching, boiling, microwaving, and stir-frying causes significant reductions of the protein content in cauliflower. High heat causes denaturing of protein in cauliflower. Stir-fried cauliflower causes the most damage to the protein content in cauliflower. Microwaved cauliflower causes the least damage to the protein content in cauliflower. No significant changes in fiber content occurs after blanching, steam boiling, microwaving, and stir-frying cauliflower. A significant increase in fiber content of cauliflower occurs after boiling cauliflower. Losses of minerals during cooking are not caused by destruction but by leaching into the cooking water. In other words, don't put cauliflower in water. A significant decrease in carbohydrate content occurs after stir-frying cauliflower. Reduction in mineral content occurs when cauliflower is boiled. Fresh cauliflower contains the highest level of ascorbic acid. Thank you for watching Rendsburg Fitness. See you next time. RendsburgEnterprises.com presents the following message.